If Steam is showing an HTTP error, don't worry, this is usually something you can fix in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest method to get Steam working again by changing a few settings and clearing the download cache safely. This is especially useful if Steam is stuck, pages are not loading properly, or downloads are failing because of an HTTP related issue. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech fixes. Alright, let's get straight into it. First, open Steam on your computer. Once Steam is open, look to the top left corner of the window and click on Steam. This opens the main Steam menu where you'll find the settings you need to adjust. From the menu, click Settings. This will open Steam's settings panel where you can manage different parts of the app. On the left side, click Downloads. The Downloads section controls download-related options, including the region Steam connects to and the cache stored on your device. Now look for Download Region. This setting matters because Steam connects to nearby servers based on your selected region, and sometimes the current region can cause HTTP errors or connection problems. Click the drop-down and choose a different region from the one that is currently selected. If you're unsure which one to use, pick a nearby alternative region that is still close to your location. Changing this can often help Steam reconnect properly. After that, scroll a little if needed and find the button that says Clear Download Cache. Click it. Steam will usually warn you that you may need to sign in again, and that's completely normal. Confirm the action so Steam can clear out any broken or outdated cached files that might be causing the HTTP error. This step is one of the most effective fixes because it refreshes Steam's temporary download data. Once the cache has been cleared, the next step is very important. Restart Steam completely, close the application fully, make sure it is not still running in the background, and then open it again. Restarting allows the new download region and cleared cache to take effect properly. In many cases, Steam will work normally after this restart. If the error is still showing after that, double check that you actually changed the download region and that Steam restarted fully. Sometimes the fix works immediately and sometimes it needs a second try with a different nearby region, but in most cases, these steps are enough to solve the Steam HTTP error quickly and safely. So to recap, open Steam, go to Settings, open Downloads, change the download region, clear the download cache, and then restart Steam. That simple process often fixes the issue without needing any complicated troubleshooting. If this video helped you fix the Steam HTTP error, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone else who might be having the same problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.